What's going on, you guys? And it is the biggest unboxing video probably I will never ever do again. I hate doing unboxing videos. We are about to open my brand new 3D printer. Mind the desk, it's really old and I just fixed it up recently, so it's a little creaky. First things first. Try it again. First things first. Alright, first things first. Oh, whatever. We gotta open up the box. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. It's a big ass box. With the cheesiest butter knife ever. Now. 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 Oh, boy. How in the heck am I supposed to get this thing out of here? Oh, it's like a door. Look at that. Oh! Ow! Alright. Well, actually, that was kind of fun unboxing that. Holy moly, what the hell did I just get into? So, this is the Bambulab P1P. Now, you're probably wondering, why didn't I go to the P1S? Two reasons. One, I like the fact that I can customize this to become the P1S as far as like the paneling and stuff goes. So you can add a panel here, here, and then on the back it looks like. But the second reason why I got this particular one is, well, price. I mean, you're spending, how much did I spend for that? I got it on sale because it was Christmas time. It was like $500 and something. I think around $560, $570, something like that. Whereas the P1S was around $700 or $800. If we're gonna get a workhorse, especially for me running the Etsy store, I need a workhorse. I need a thing that's not gonna fail. I don't have to fidget with it all the time, like the Ender 3, which I'm debating if I wanna keep it or not. There's some funky stuff going on with the Ender 3. I can't figure out what the heck it is. As a matter of fact, check out this picture. That was for a customer's cuffs. I've been having some issues printing them. And I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know why it's got this like Twizzler effect. So if anybody knows anything about what's going on here, or if you know somebody who's kind of involved in 3D printing, let me know. Leave a comment down below what you find out, because I certainly have no idea. I can't find anything about it online. By the way, I still keep looking at this box as I've been talking. I mean, what the heck is this? What is it called? A piano music box bottom winding kit. What is that all about? It's just got me curious now. Wait, what? What is this? I don't know. I don't understand. What? What am I looking at? Like, okay, there's instructions. How about I read the instructions there, dummy? I can't read it. It's in Japanese. Oh, wait, no, it's in English. Never mind. Alright. Oh, dumbass. Piano music box bottom winding kit. I have no idea. Hey, Ray, if you know what any of this is, I have no idea. Did I just hear something? Wow. Listen to this. Well, that's kind of cool. What the hell? So I guess it's supposed to be, you're supposed to 3D print your first item with this thing and then attach it to this so you can, oh, wow. I get it. It's a music box. You literally print the crank for it and it's just ding, 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 ding. Oh, I hate being stupid.
1 hour of disassembling and reassembling after reading instructions. Later.
Okay! Holy titties, it took way too long to figure to set this thing up. It is operational. I already have my roll of filament back here, which is the Gold Giant Farm filament back here, and I messed it all up. What the hell is wrong with me? Why did I do that? Doggone it. Oh, by the way, I'm actually going to be recording my phone screen for a minute here so you can see that I can actually control this thing via my Samsung or iPhone, if whatever you have. But there is a camera built inside of this printer so you can video it, or actually you can see it live as it's printing. So while I'm talking and my phone is recording my screen here, which you're going to see all this happen, I'm going to go ahead and get a file printed, and I'm actually going to send it via my PC. Now the way this thing works is that it uses your Wi-Fi network to connect to your PC, to your router, and you can actually send your files wirelessly instead of using the SD card, which is built into it up here. By the way, the item I'm going to be printing is the Shadow the Hedgehog inhibitor ring. This is a 6-inch style ring that's going to be for a customer, so shout out to you, Brandy. This is going to be for you. You're going to be on the new printer, so hopefully this comes out really good. Alright, so obviously I'm not a technological nerd. It's like a lot of people know like these printers. So I'm basically just going to go read it off their website. Essentially what we're dealing with. This is called the Bambulab P1P. Now remember, there is a P1S, but they're pretty much the exact same printer. The only difference between them is that this one does not have the panels like the P1S does. You can, however, upgrade this to the P1S by just buying panels, also the multicolor AMS module, which is on top. And if you don't know what I mean by the AMS module, essentially what it is, it's an attachment that lays on top of this. You can print 4 different color rolls at a time or as individuals. In the program itself on Bambulab Studio, you can actually add filament within that AMS module. For me, I'm cool with just using 1 roll at a time. I don't mind feeding the rolls individually or changing them out. But this is going to be for much bigger prints because this thing can go up to 2,000 millimeters a second, which is dummy fast. I mean, this is like the top of the line type of printer you can get nowadays, especially for the price range. I mean, this thing comes around a whopping, you know, $580, $570. Now remember, I got this on sale because right now it's Christmas time. So Bambulab has their own sort of holiday sale. Regular retail, this thing goes around $700, maybe $600 something dollars. That's if you don't get the module that sits on top, which is the AMS multi-printing piece. It also has something called vibration and extrusion compensation. If this thing starts wobbling around, it can actually generate a extra sense of smoothness. So if, let's say, if it's obviously on this wobbly ass table, it can compensate for that because it's sitting on these little rails that can help balance the bed, even if it's printing something. I actually am noticing it right now. It's automatically adjusting the bed depending on the vibration and the extrusion level. So the higher the model, the more the bed automatically adjusts to the height of the model. I can't not laugh at that because it's the silliest thing I've seen with this printer. It's like me up every time, dude. If you guys want to check this printer out yourself, I'll leave it down in the description below. Not sponsored by Bambulab at all. This was out of my own purchase because I heard a lot of good things about this particular brand and this particular printer. But for now, this beast is going to be the new Etsy store printer and the new official printer for a lot of projects coming up next year, especially that new one. Link in the description below. Go check it out. And you can also see the other versions of it as well through their website. They got the P1S, the A1, I think the A1 Mini if I remember. But if you're looking for your next upgrade compared to the little one you might have had, like an Ninja 3 or the Flash Forge printers or something like that, definitely look into Bambulab P1P or the P1S. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, you'll be seeing a lot more of this printer down the line, especially the modifications that I'm going to be doing. Be sure to give this video a fat thumbs up. You guys enjoy the rest of your week. Stay tuned for the next video coming out, which is going to be the Sonic 3 movie review. And I'm going to be bringing my boy Shadow along with me. I mean, how could you not? He's in the film. Are you done yet? And I'll see you goons later. Hold on, I'm coming your way. Poof. Oh.